Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 3 subject grammar. So before we proceed, let's read a thought. The more you practice, the better you get. So the meaning of this thought is very simple, that practice makes a man perfect. If you keep on practicing something every day, then a day will come when you will excel in that thing, when you will become master of that thing. For example, if you like any sports activities or any game, if you play that game every day, then once the day will come when you will become an expert, because those who are expert today had begin once. Even an expert was a beginner. So for becoming an expert, what do you have to do? You have to begin and you have to keep on practicing that thing every day, night and day, and then you will become excellent in that field. The content of today's video is lesson number 8, pronouns, that we have been learning in the previous 2 videos. So we shall continue with that. You will learn about subject pronouns, object pronouns. As we know, in the previous videos also we have learnt the same topic. So we shall take this topic a step ahead now. Identification and usage of subject pronouns and object pronouns. So that is the new thing in today's video. You will learn how to identify, how to differentiate between subject pronouns and object pronouns. Also, you will have to replace the words and you will have to decide that whether should you use subject pronoun or object pronoun instead of that particular word. So let's begin. So as usual, I hope you are sitting with your notebook and pencil eraser ready, and you have also given the name of the lesson as the heading, that is pronouns. If not, then please give the name of the lesson as your heading in your notebook. So let us quickly have the recap of the previous video. In the previous video, we had learnt about subject pronouns. We had solved this exercise number 2. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the bold words with subject pronouns. So in short, I will just give you the explanation what we have done. See, in number 1, it was about summer, and summer is a boy. So instead of summer, we had written he gave me a new pen. Then the villagers, instead of villagers, we had used pronoun they are looking for their watchman. Then Seema and Raina are friends. So it is more than one person. So again we had used they are friends. The pen, so pen is a non-living thing, inanimate object. So we had used it writes well. Gina has many books. Gina is a girl. So we had written she has many books. Abhishek, instead of Abhishek, we had used pronoun he is a good boy, like that. And one more important thing that we had learned is object pronouns, that the pronouns that come in the place of the object in a sentence are called object pronouns. Then we had studied this table, that is very important table. I told you to write in your notebook. Once in your notebook, every day you should write for 1 week the difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns. I, me, you, he, him, she, her, they, them, it. This was the table which I had explained yesterday, and very important table it is for this particular lesson. Then we had solved exercise number 3. The options were given and you had to fill in the blanks with the correct object pronouns. So the first one we had done was, the cushion is on the sofa, you are sitting on it. Preeti wanted to have an ice cream. The waiter handed the cone to her. Mother bought apples. Before eating, wash them properly. Reuben is good at maths. I will ask him for the answer. The Sarkars returned home. All the neighbors came to meet them. This is a lovely dress. From which store did you buy it? This is my notebook. I write important things in it. Excuse me, are you talking to me? So this is the third exercise that we had completed in the previous video. Now moving ahead to exercise number 4. As you can see, exercise number 4 on your screen. This is the exercise that we are solving today. So please give the heading in your notebook. Exercise number 4. The heading is identify whether the highlighted pronouns are subject pronouns SP or object pronouns OP. Means you have to identify the highlighted words, like the words are highlighted over here. You can see in bold black color it is highlighted: we, us, I, them, etc. Like that in all the sentences which you can see on the screen, every sentence at least one word is highlighted. So we have to identify whether the highlighted word is SP or OP. SP means whether it is subject pronoun or OP means it is object pronoun. Now before we continue with the exercise, I would like to show this table again, because this table will help you a lot for exercise number 4. In this table you could see clearly subject pronouns are given on the left hand side, object pronouns are given on the right hand side. So when in exercise number 4, while you are reading the sentences one by one, see the highlighted word and look at the table, you will come to know that which category that particular word falls in. You will find out the highlighted word. Again you will refer back to the table which you have already written, I suppose, in your notebook. So while solving this exercise at home, it's going to be very fun and very easy for you to find out the pronouns from this table and just write down whether it is SP, that is subject pronoun, or OP, that is object pronoun. So we'll solve the exercise in the same way. Let's have a look at sentence number 1. We are coming to the party. We are coming to the party. So the highlighted word over here is the first one, that is pronoun we. Here we is highlighted. So let's have a look at the table. Where does the word we fall? So here, as you can see in the table, there is no word like we. Can you find out? No, there is no word which is we over here. But going back to the second page of the lesson, we could see the definition of subject pronouns over here. After solving exercise 1, we had seen that I, we, he, she, it, they, you and we are subject pronouns. What are these? They are subject pronouns. So here is we. The word we is included over here. Though it is not given in the table, but we found it, the word we over here, and that falls in the category of subject pronouns. So let's write over here, the first answer will be subject pronoun, that is SP. So I hope you are all writing the answers along with me. I have already written the answer of the first blank, SP. What is the full form? Subject pronouns. You need not write the full form because the PDF has been sent in the group. As I told you before, you just have to note down the answers from the video. So the first answer, pronoun we, falls in the category of subject pronouns. Number 2, all the work was done by us. All the work was done by us. Now the highlighted word over here is us, the last word. The work was done by us. Now let's check it in the table. Do we have the word us over here? No, we do not have the word us over here. So what should we do now? Just above the table, the 3 examples we had read over here, in that it was given, she made this painting for us. She made this painting for us. And we have learnt all these 3 are object pronouns. It falls in the category of object pronouns, because in the example we had read this word us, which was highlighted. So let's write it over here. The second answer will be object pronoun. So as I have written the answer, same way you will write the answer. Here is SP, here is OP, it is subject pronoun and this is object pronoun. So now moving ahead to number 3. I don't enjoy loud music. I don't enjoy loud music. So the highlighted word over here is the first word I. I don't enjoy music. I is the pronoun that has been used over here. Let's have a look at the table. Is the word I given in the table? Yes, we could see the word I over here. I don't enjoy music. The word I is used and it falls in the category of subject pronoun. So what shall we write over here? We should write subject pronoun. So let's write, you will write along with me. The answer is SP, that is subject pronoun. Please write it in number 3. SP, subject pronoun. I don't enjoy loud music. I is subject pronoun. Number 4. The teacher asked them not to waste food. The teacher asked them not to waste food. So the highlighted pronoun is them. Whom did the teacher ask? The teacher asked them. Now, what question did I ask you? I used the word whom, WHOM. And in the previous video, I had given a keyword and that was whom. Whom did the teacher ask? The teacher asked them. So let's see the table. Them is over here. It is the second last one and it falls in the category of object pronoun, OP. Also, I had told you the keyword for object pronoun, that is whom. You have to ask the question whom and you will get your answer. So here the answer will be object pronoun. Let's write that. What's the answer? It will be OP, object pronoun. And so we put it in the blank. Number 4. Here is your answer. I expect everyone is writing the answers in their notebooks. Number 5. Raza has told her about the competition. Raza has told her about the competition. So the highlighted pronoun is her. Highlighted pronoun is her. Let's have a look at the table. Is the pronoun her given? Yes, it is over here. Her falls in the category of object pronoun. Her falls in the category of object pronoun. And also we can ask the question, whom has the Raza told about competition? Whom has he told? Raza has told her. So her is object pronoun. So answer number 5 is written over here. OP stands for object pronouns. Her is object pronoun. Previous one, them, was also an object pronoun. Next, number 6. They will attend a yoga camp this weekend. Weekend means Saturday or Sunday is weekend. I hope you know that. They will attend a yoga camp this weekend. So the highlighted pronoun is pronoun they. They means more than one. More than one person, more than one animal. So it is a group. It is called they. Now let's look. Is the word they used over here in the table? Yes, we could see the second last one, they. They falls in the category of subject pronoun. Which category does it fall in? It falls in the category of subject pronoun. So our answer should be SP. What should be our answer? SP, because it is subject pronoun. We are talking about the pronoun they, and as we saw in the table, it comes in the column of subject pronoun. And they will attend yoga camp means more than one, a group of students, you can say a group of children. Next, number 7. You must take your medicines on time. You must take your medicines on time. So I am talking to one person at a time, you. You must take your medicines on time. Whom I am telling? I am telling you. I am talking to one person only. But you is a pronoun which is common in subject as well as object. So now it will become difficult. How will you decide whether it is subject pronoun or it is an object pronoun? As I told you, you can see over here, here is one boy, here more than one. So when you are talking to one person, you use the pronoun you, but when you are talking to more than one, at that time also you can use the pronoun you all. That is also possible. But when you are talking to one person, you have to say that it is subject pronoun. If I am telling you, means you are one, so it is singular, it is subject. But if it is plural, more than one, then it is object. So here we can clearly see you must take your medicines on time. Means maybe a mother is telling to her child. So she is talking to one child at a time. It is singular. So when it is singular, it is subject. Remember the explanation that I told you, you is common in subject and object, but if it is singular, if it is one person, then it is subject pronoun. So answer number 7 again will be SP, subject pronoun, because we are talking to one person at a time. Last, Riddhi will help you with the assignment. Riddhi will help you with the assignment. So the highlighted pronoun is you. What is the highlighted pronoun in the last sentence? That is you. Again, you is repeated. See, in the previous sentence also the pronoun you was there. We have written SP, subject pronoun. So should we write SP in the last one also? Will it be correct? No, it will not be correct. As I told you, you is common in both subject and object. You will be you as it is. But subject pronoun is singular, one person. Object pronoun is more than one person when you are talking about the pronoun you. So over here, read the sentence carefully. Riddhi will help you with the assignment. So you have to ask the question whom? Whom will she help? Here you cannot ask the question whom. You must take your medicines. So you have to ask the question who. Who should take the medicines? You. But here you have to ask the question whom. Riddhi will help you. Whom will Riddhi help? Riddhi will help you. So that's why it is an object pronoun. So what's the answer? Answer should be OP, that is object pronoun. Be very careful, children, with the last two sentences. It can be confusing at times, but I will write a keyword over here so that it is not confusing for you. So these are the two keywords that you should also write in your notebook. What will you write? You will write over here who, and here you will write whom. You must take your medicines on time. So who should take the medicine on time? You ask the question who. Who should take the medicine on time? You should take, or you must take medicine on time. Here you have to ask the question whom. That is the difference. Riddhi will help you with the assignment. So whom will Riddhi help? Whom will Riddhi help? Riddhi will help you. So the difference is between who and whom. When you ask the question who, you get your answer for subject pronoun. When you ask the question whom, you get your answer for object pronoun. That is the difference. So please keep that difference in your mind. Now moving ahead to the next exercise. Now you will leave a line and give the heading exercise 5. Replace the highlighted nouns with subject or object pronouns. The nouns which are highlighted in the sentences, we have to replace those nouns. We have to replace those names of people with the pronouns. As you can see in the sentences, the highlighted words are the names of the people: Raja, Vijita, Karna, etc. So we have to write pronouns instead of these names. Which are the pronouns that we have learned? I, you, he, she, they, it, me, you, him, her, them, it. There are so many pronouns that we have learned we have to use either subject pronouns or object pronouns. Let's read. Raja went for a walk in the park. Raja went for a walk in the park. Now, Raja is the name of a boy. So, here we have to ask the question who. Remember the previous exercise I had told you to ask the question who for subject pronouns. Ask the question whom for object pronouns. So, here which kind of question can we make from this answer? Raja went for a walk. Who went for a walk? Raja. So when you ask the question who, you will get subject pronoun, and Raja is a boy, so we use he. So I have done nothing but replaced Raja with he. I have replaced Raja with he because it's the name of a boy and it is a subject pronoun, so I have written he from the list of subject pronouns. The rest of the sentence I have not changed at all. It is as it is. Went for a walk in the park. Went for a walk in the park. No change till full stop. As it is. Just instead of Raja, I have written he. That is what we have done called replace. We have replaced noun with pronoun. So please write answer number 1 and just copy the answers, not the questions. Number 2. He loves to play chess with Vijitha. He loves to play chess with Vijitha. Now, as you know, Vijitha is the name of a girl, right? So, for Vijitha, what do we write? We may write she or we may write her. She or her. But here, which kind of question should we ask? Who or whom? So, that depends whether it is subject pronoun, she, or object pronoun, her. For example, he loves to play chess with Vijitha. So, whom does he love to play chess with? We have to ask the question, whom? Whom does he love to play chess with? So, when you ask the question whom, it is object pronoun. And so, we have to use her. So, let's write the answer. So, here is the answer. Copy the answer in your notebook. What is the change we have made? Instead of Vijitha, we have written her because it is object pronoun. We asked the question whom. Whom does he love to play chess with? He loves to play chess with her. He loves to play chess with Vijitha. He loves to play chess with her. Over here, till here it is same. As you can see, he loves to play chess with. He loves to play chess with. Just replaced the noun with pronoun. Third one, number 3, Karan will go for his tabla lessons. Here is the image, you can see the boy Karan who is playing tabla. Karan will go for his tabla lessons. Karan is the name of a boy and we ask the question who will go? So Karan will go. So we write he, it is subject pronoun. So the answer will be he. Instead of Karna, I have written he and the rest of the sentence as it is. Will go for his tabla lessons. Will go for his tabla lessons. Instead of Karan, we have to write he. That's it. Number 4. Mother will take Sana and Rana for a film. Mother will take Sana and Rana for a film. So Sana and Rana are the highlighted words. So it is about more than one person. 2 people are there. More than one. So we can use they or them. But we have to ask the question who or whom. It depends on it. Mother will take whom? Whom will mother take for film? Whom will mother take for film? Sana and Rana. So we are asking the question whom means it is object pronoun. So we have to write them. They and them. They is subject pronoun. Them is object pronoun. So we write them. So here is answer number 4. Mother will take them for a film. Mother will take them for a film. Instead of Sana and Rana, I have written them. Instead of Sana and Rana, I have written them. The rest of the sentence as it is. See, mother will take. For a film. no change in any other word, just replacing these two nouns with pronoun them, as it is plural more than one, and because it is object pronoun, so we have written them. Next, number 5. Let's solve the next 4. Make sure you apologize to Jignesh. Make sure you apologize to Jignesh. Now Jignesh is the name of a boy. We can either write he or we can write him. So what question should we ask? Who or whom? Let's read again. Make sure you apologize. Apologize means to say sorry. When you do something wrong, you must apologize. So saying sorry. So make sure you apologize to whom? To whom should you apologize? You should apologize to Jignesh. So did you notice I asked the question whom, whom. I did not say who. So whom is called object pronoun and we have to use him. In the answer we cannot use he because he is subject pronoun, him is object pronoun. So here is answer number 5. Make sure you apologize to him. Instead of Jignesh I have written him. Then number 6. Surya is my best friend. Surya is my best friend. So who is your best friend? Surya. Who is your best friend? Surya. Or who is my best friend? Surya. I asked the question who and it is subject. That question comes in subject pronouns. And Surya is the name of a boy, so we write he instead of Surya. So the answer will be he is my best friend. Is my best friend. Is my best friend. As it is, just one change. Instead of Surya, we have written he. Instead of Surya, it's the name of a boy. We have written he, that is subject pronoun. Number 7. Do not forget to call the neighbors. The neighbors neighbors are the people who stay nearby, who stay around you. They are nearby the next door. So, do not forget to call the neighbors. Neighbors means it is more than one, it is plural, as you can see S. The neighbors. So here we ask the question, whom? Do not forget to call the neighbors. So do not forget to call whom? The neighbors. As we asked the question whom, it is object pronoun and we write them. There are two possibilities, they or them. But here we shall write them because it is object. Do not forget to call whom? The neighbors. So the answer will be do not forget to call them. Instead of the neighbors, we have written them. No other change. As you can see, do not forget to call. Do not forget to call. There is only one change, replacing neighbors, the neighbors with them. The last sentence of this exercise, take this card along with you. Take this card along with you. So the highlighted word over here is this card. This card. So instead of card we will write pronoun it because card is a non-living thing. This card is non-living thing. For non-living things like pen, pencil, etc. we use pronoun it. So here is the answer. Take it along with you. Take it along with you, replacing this card with it. Instead of this card, I have written the pronoun it and the rest of the sentence as it is. Take, along with you, along with you. No change in the other words, only one change, replacing this highlighted black color font with the pronoun it. Because the card is non-living and we shall write it for non-living or inanimate objects. So I hope you have understood this exercise number 5, replacing the highlighted nouns with subject or object pronouns. Today we also solved exercise number 4. We differentiated between subject pronouns and object pronouns. Also I told you the two keywords, who and whom. When you ask the question who, you get the answer for subject pronouns. When you ask the question whom, you get the answer for object pronouns. And based on the same concept, we solved exercise number 5. So in today's lecture, these two exercises which we have solved are really important. I want you to write these exercises one time in your rough book. Take care all of you and have a nice day.